Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make daikon steak. My kids brought back purple daikon, so I decided to make this, but you can of course use regular daikon. Juicy, tasty yet delicious, savory sweet flavor goes perfect with white rice. It's a perfect dish for vegan vegetarian people. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut daikon radish into thick round slices. Make cross incisions on both sides. I forgot to make incisions, so I did it later after I microwaved them. You can of course parboil, microwave is easier. Now heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Cook both sides of daikon on medium until slightly browned. Dress with the seasonings and cook until shiny fragrant. You don't want to burn too much, it turns bitter, but it is tasty in this way, so it is up to you. It's just like when you cook teriyaki. Garnish with chopped green onions. And now it's done! Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry, no tasting scene. Smoky flavor of pan-fried daikon is very appetizing. It is absolutely delicious, so please try it out.